Rebuilding Together Peninsula is an organization that brings together community partners, corporations, community groups to provide free repair work for low-income homeowners and other community organizations. Cooley is one of our best sponsors. We've been working with them for 13 years now, and they always knock it out of the park. This year they worked on family and children's services in Palo Alto.
Family and Children's Services has been here in Palo Alto since 1948. We also have another building in San Jose. We provide mental health counseling and behavioral health classes for low-income and Medicare patients.
So today is allowing us to put a fresh coat of paint on the building and repair a skylight that was leaking, and just so much that we couldn't do on our own.
I mean, the nice thing about Cooley is because you guys have been doing it so long, there's actually this core group of people that just know what they're going to do, and they take on this really meaty project on a site and just transform a place. Thank you so much, Cooley, for your work again this year with Rebuilding Together Peninsula. We so appreciate what you do year after year and look forward to a continued partnership with you.